Hi. My name is Sophie. I'm 8 years old. I've got a pet. Look, this is my cat. Its name is Kitty. As you see, I haven't got a white cat. I've got a black cat. Kitty, where are you running? Let's go and look. Oh, Kitty. You are here. Let's describe you to our friends. Are you ready? Go on. My cat Kitty has got 2 eyes. It's got whiskers. It has got 2 ears. Kitty has got a long tail. It has got black fur. My cat has got paws. It's got claws. So this is my cat, Kitty. And that is my friend. Her name is Kate.
Hello, I'm Kate.
She hasn't got a pet.
Yes, I haven't got any pets.
Don't be sad, Kate. Let's take my pet, Kitty, and go out together.
Wow, it's a good idea.
We are good friends. Bye-bye.